All right, and welcome to another episode of Midnight Afternoons. This week it's Slime Rancher, where MT ranches slimes. Let's go! All
Alright,
right,
and we're gonna pick a new game, and we're gonna call it Midnight Buns. There we go. Oh yeah, got that good suck.
starting
That's,
up strong.
well, that's what you do. You suck up these little jello bobs, and you basically ranch them around.
You look so horrified when you acquire them.
Oh, it's nothing like when you shoot them out.
There you go.
They're
They
like,
look at peace when they're being shot. Just
well,
like, yeah, this is my life now.
oh, got him.
When you're giving them the suck, they're just like, ah!
Wait, I gotta feed them these things so that they don't try to escape. Also, these chickens. They're just gonna eat those. Yeah, we got some plorts.
Two of them are gonna eat those at least.
Yeah, it'll keep. It'll keep until I get some more. Give me these plorts though. Give them. Give me the.
Are forts like slime poop? What?
It is kind of like slime poop. No, I need those.
No,
Bas-
no. Shoot poop on them.
No, because I need to sell the poop to make more money to buy more space to ranch.
Man. In this economy?
I don't want these little jerks getting out while I'm gone, so I'm gonna get higher walls before we go out there. It's a dangerous job, but someone's gotta do it.
I'm sure. I don't feel particularly threatened by these slimes.
Oh no? Oh no?
Yeah.
I mean, the pink slime, sure, but let me show you what you gotta look out for. These motherfuckers. See, he tried to hit me. Ow. Okay. I ain't ready
oh
for
my
that.
god.
I know.
Sonic the Hedge slime's over there.
Also-
what happens if you shoot a slime into the water?
Oh, glad you asked. Let's see. Where's a good view of the ocean? From the bridge. You just kill them. They're dead now.
Oh no!
God, why does Hope just want us to kill them?
I know,
I
right?
didn't want that.
I just want you to have every slime you could possibly imagine.
Actually, I know exactly what we should get, Hope. Cat slimes.
Yeah, cat slime. Just like Hope.
Oh no. I ain't dealing with that. And I'm getting out of here before the ominous music starts. Alright. Here they are. Here are the babies. I don't need that chicken.
Oh no!
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. These big ones, we don't need them.
Oh no!
It's fine. Don't worry about it. And bam. Bam. Where's it gonna land? It's out of here.
Home run!
Slimes, yeah? Is that you can cross them together and get hybrids.
Huh.
Just like Hope.
What?
Yep. And you know what else we're gonna do? We're just gonna clean up the slime. And we'll do the proper thing so Hope doesn't cry.
Are you sure?
It's
Oh man.
There we go. Rock Tabby. And he is out of there. You are getting back in there. piece of shit. Alright.
They're trouble, just like Hopes.
Alright, here we go. Pink. There we go.
So you just shoot a carrot into him at high velocity.
Yep. And then one of these tabbies will eat the blue gem, and then...
That's how you feed cats.
Pretty much. I'm about to unleash these.
I hear that cats like to be put in water.
You're right.
No.
No? Don't do
They
it?
love it.
They don't do it, Hope?
They need a bath. They're really dirty.
No.
I got nothing to lose.
It's free slime estate.
Free slime estate. Free slime estate for you. This isn't my key, this is your key.
Free slime estate.
Free slime estate. Come get your keys to this beautiful wasteland of nothing. No man's slime. Now you gotta be careful. They start rolling and you don't want to get in on that sort of action. Not in this day and age.
Not this economy.
To upgrade my gear, because I need a water tank. It's very important that I have one. And I bet you're thinking, well, why do you need a watering tank? Let me tell you why.
To spray cats.
No.
That's what I
No.
would do.
I know that's what you would do. And you are right to do so, especially with
Wait, I know
hope.
what you'd do with the water tank. You'd spray me.
Psst, psst. Gotcha. Oh no. The Churgway feels threatened. But you know who else is about to feel threatened? Poor innocent slimes.
Oh.
Ah, don't. Whoop, I got stuck on a rock. It's okay though. Yeah, why am I holding these? There we go.
There we go. Look at all those pogo fruits.
Yeah. Pogo fruits are pomegranates but alien. Fun fact, did you know that you, the protagonist, are a lady?
Huh. Yeah, I knew I was a lady.
No, not you. Me, you.
I knew you were a lady too.
No, not me. This me.
Okay, so not you me or you me or me you, but the you that's not you that isn't also me.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
See, look, that one willingly jumped in the water. They love it.
Yeah, they love it.
We'll just give this one a friendly nudge. There you go, buddy. Obviously, they just needed that friendly little push. I don't know why you're awing. Now, Hope.
Yeah.
Hope.
Yeah.
We gotta feed these slimes. Look at their happy faces. Look at all of them. Look
They're
at...
familiar faces too.
Yeah, they look like Hope when she's about to finish a video.
No expression.
Happy. They look happy.
I was just continuing the song.
They do look happy.
Just like Hope. And they eat anything. Just like Hope.
Look how excited they are. Just like Hope.
Look how jaded they are. Just like Hope.
They do nothing but roll around all day. In the cage. Just like Hope.
Oh.
It's okay, Hope.
Alright, just load some food in the cannon and shoot the pepperoni pizza right into Hope's mouth. She'll be fine.
She'll be fine. Now then. Get this useless slime out of here. Pink slimes don't matter. Hear that? You don't matter. You're garbage. Garbage that I stand on.
Oh.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done with it. You gotta be committed. Gotta be committed to hurt these slimes' feelings.
I don't think you do.
You do. Watch. You see that cute smiling face? Garbage. Home run. Splash. Did it.
You killed them.
Ah, he's fine. He's probably at the bottom of the sea.
You killed them and you don't even care.
It's a living.
It's just light at night, I guess.
I guess so.
Welcome to Slimeovania.
You know what this area needs, Hope?
What?
Some
Where's the
population control. There we go. Because I need fresh things to spawn in this area now. Let's watch.
Oh God, they look so upset.
They are upset.
I'm so happy. I had such a good time with my friend. Nice to meet you.
Oh no.
So, we're gonna start a garden. And we're gonna put in some carrots. Because these little guys love carrots, just like Hope. These are Hope's babies. Get out. Oh no, I let one go. Get back in your editing hole. There we go. Whew. That was close. We almost had a wild Hope running around.
Can't have that. Let her outside the cage, like, you'll never see her on Friday.
See, look at that. You get closer and she just hurts you.
Just like real life.
Just
Yeah.
like real life.
It's like real life.
This game didn't even come out last year. I wish it had some multiplayer though. Could you
Well, it's
imagine?
still early access, so
They
maybe
might.
someday when it's a game.
You act like anything that goes into early access ever comes out of early access.
They do.
No. Maybe if I go this way, towards that ominous glowing thing in the distance.
The sun.
Who's ready to see some fireworks?
I am, Pup.
Wee. Yeah. Oh,
One of your chickens escaped.
it's okay. What's it gonna do? Call the cops? Slime.
You're damn right.
Look at them. Pandoras. All of them.
Is that a joke on how I completely draped over my window so no light gets in here?
Well, now you're just telling people that you're a vampire. Like
No, that's
Hope.
all-
You're both vampires.
I'm not a vampire. I like going outside.
Vampire. This game, I give it, about 4 cats out of 5 Hope cats. Good solid score.